Hello guys, coming to you today to bring you some information or short video on winding your yarn, whether you're crocheting, knitting, or rug tucking, which is what I'm doing. This little gadget here helps you create cakes like this. It makes it easier to wind off and use. So I just want to demonstrate how I do it. You'll see several videos on YouTube University that shows you how to do this. So here's my version of it. Again, my name's Yolanda. I'd like you to go ahead and like and share and subscribe to the channel, as I will be bringing you more material as I go along. So what I do is start from scratch. How you do this is you take this strand, the end part, and I'm going to take it and put it in the back of the winder. Let me adjust the camera just a little bit. Let's see. And hold it back in the back of the winder. And I'm going to come to the front with the end. I'm going to come right under it, like so. And bring it up to the top, through the middle. Pull it down, pull it through. Bring it down again, up, and you should be in the loop, like that. Okay. Then what I do, I go ahead and I take it and I fold it in half, just a tip, so I can find, in my version, I can find the tail end when I'm done with my cake. And on the top, it's the slit on the top. You'll have to and lay it right across through the slit on both sides of the reel. Okay, so I'm hoping I could raise this up a little bit more. Could be up a little bit more. Let's do this like this. Okay. So I'm going to take the handle, and it's got this little hook here. You have to pull out and pull out right here. Let's see if I can show you that. Pull that out. Right. Okay. Sorry. You can pull this out till it clicks. Just pull that out till it clicks. Okay. And now I'm going to hold the thread out and start winding. Start winding. This can go pretty fast. Based on the model of winder that you have, you shouldn't have no problem. With this one here, the problem that I find with it is you have to hold the thread taut and wind it, because once you pull this out, you want to pull it out away from the center, and you'll hear it click. It'll click in place. That tells you it's ready to be used. So let's continue winding. Let's see if I can wind this up right quick. And sorry, camera fell. Go. And we're gonna continue winding. It should fall again. I apologize for the setup here. I don't have a tripod for my camera. Again, this one here, it tends to come loose, and you have to continue checking, stopping and checking, make sure it's locked in place, because it's not the greatest brand of winder. So I'll invest in another one ASAP, because this will drive you crazy. Keep popping out. But just keep winding. And it can go pretty fast. We'll back up a little bit here. Sometimes the thread gets caught up there. 1 second here. Yeah. This winder, it seems to have issues. So I'm going to hold it here and continue winding. And I wind it till it gets to the top edge, and I'll show you that when I'm done. To the top edge of the platform, the center platform. That should do that one. So here is the top of the platform, right in here. Sorry, there, right there is the platform top. And I come to the edge of it and stop. That's how big I make them. I come to the edge of it. As you can see, it falls off. Sorry, it's not the best video. But hopefully you get the gist of this. This is the way I do it. So all we're going to do is go ahead and we're going to cut the thread right there. And we're going to tuck that in place somewhere along the edge. I'm going to take my loop. This thing on here. Push that down. I'm going to take my loop right there. Put my loop there. Pick up my loop. There's my end. And all I'm going to do is pop this bad boy off. Like that. Just pop it up. Like that. Okay, I'm doing this one hand, so bear with me. And there you go. There's your cake. Some people, you can get, save your cones from the toilet paper to use in these. Make it easier. And the other thing you can do, if you like to know make sure you get the right color, make sure you take the wrapper that comes with it and stick it in the hole of one of your cakes. That way you know which ones to get next time. Okay, so that's the gist of the video. Here's the top of the ring, center ring, that just locks in there. This is the knob that you adjust and tighten. Hope you can see that. And tighten on the bottom. Sorry. I'm going to tighten right there. And your winder is right there. Okay. Well, I hope you enjoy this video. Sorry for the focus and misdirection of the camera, because I don't have a tripod at the moment. I was just getting ready to wind up some thread so I can start tufting in a little bit. Okay, so there we have it. All you do is wind it, tighten it up to your table, and make sure this is popped out. Sure this is popped out. Okay. All right, thanks for watching. Just don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, where I'll bring you more content as I go along. Have a blessed day. Bye.